Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting raw access. Enable location and set accuracy to high. That reduces drift. Next, open the mapping app you will pin with. Once it loads, grant permission to use location. You do this now so the app can read GPS satellites and network data. If prompted, choose while using the app or always to permit live updates. Once done, wait until your blue dot or location indicator stabilizes before moving on to drop a precise pin. You now drop the pin, tap and hold on the exact spot or search an address and center the map. Once the marker appears, zoom in until nearby features are clear, typically between 100 and 500 map scale for precise visual alignment. Make small pans rather than big jumps. This reduces snapping errors. If the app allows, tap the pin to edit coordinates and enter lat/long directly. This is important because manual entry ensures exactitude versus relying solely on touch placement. Finish by saving the pinned location as a favorite or custom label so you can return easily. Add a note for context. Then share the coordinates or the map link using your preferred method so others can navigate there. After saving, verify the pin by closing and reopening the app or checking the same coordinates on another device or web map to confirm consistency. If the pin shifts, recalibrate by toggling location off/on, switch accuracy mode, then repin. This often fixes drift issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.